try to use heal. If you're using fire at the middle of the lane, try to stay away and just take the heal
It doesn't
to the
work,
corner.
it doesn't work. You still get damage. It's all still damage.
It's kinda stupid. Try to timing the heal. Try to timing it.
Avoid the explosions, man. Avoid the explosions.
The
If there's an
thing is
explosion, there's a light straight after, man.
The thing is, the fire attack, it takes like 200 damage, bro. That's annoying.
I'm getting fucked, man. I'm getting fucked.
Defenders, get back, defenders, get back all the way.
Behind the won't win.
Hey, change item with me, Shira.
Oh no, behind them won't.
Thanks. Use heal. Everyone get inside. Keep defending inside. Not go outside for the defense. They're still in the center. Yo, you use it. What the fuck? Yeah, use fire, man. Two zombies? Come on, man. Let's go.
No?
Keep defending, man. One of them has no items. Okay, the other one has dark.
Earth gonna cover. Get back.
I'm gonna use heal again, so make sure everybody stay together. I'm gonna use heal again. I'm using heal to make sure everybody's doing
Get down for the heal. Keep defending. He has no damage, no gravity. Get back to the vehicle, man. There's gonna be a TP soon. Back up.
Why you send so? What? Why you send so? Maybe it will kill the items. Maybe it can be good. It can main them, make them die.
Fall back.
It's not good, man. It's not good at all. Oh my fucking god.
Don't use fire, don't use fire.
Sure. And just yeah, okay.
You can use fire on boss when it's appears. Actually, you don't need to crouch, by the way.
Fuck you, man. Iban this guy with fucking sandstorm.
Yes. I'm gonna try to delay the heal, but let's see.
Just use dial before the boss is dead. Oh, maybe.
Oh, it will. Oh,
Nice.
it was really.
What the fuck is this fire? What the fuck is this?
Repair your gun. Oh, we'll die. Repair your gun.
Kill him before fire. Kill him. Revive.
Revive.
Before fire.
Kill it.
Shoot.
Winnable.
Okay.
Nice.
Can I block the zombie?
Stay different. Fire is fire ship.
Quick send on the TP, nice one. Use fire on the TP. Nice one.
You could use the tornado maybe behind there, like
The win
before.
inside? No, I prefer keeping it, man. I don't care, it's fine. Four zombies, man. 4 zombies. Who cares about 4? Come on. I prefer keeping the item for if we need it. You see what I mean?
I
We
see.
didn't need it.
Don't hurt, please. Don't hurt.
Don't door hug, man. This is gonna explode.
Stay away from the door. Stay away from the door.
If you have
Kaboom. Get back all the way.
noob down.
I will use heal.
Kill.
I will use, just sit together, wait. Wait for everybody.
Use it when we have the boss inside.
Hey, oh yeah. Take the heal,
For
bitch.
the ammo.
I know, but it's kinda bugged, yeah.
Shoot the boss. Shoot the boss upside. Never stop moving, man. Keep
What the fuck is this fire? What the fuck?
Let me fly.
Oh, the fire does a lot of damage. What the fuck?
Just touch me once and set me to 46 HP.
Use rivers, use rivers. If you can use rivers.
Watch out, fire, watch out, watch. Okay, now that.
Oh, use Zilla. Somebody take kill.
Fire. What the fuck is it? I'm dead.
Oh, I'm dead. I'm going to die.
Oh my god, you just give.
Oh my god, you saved me. I'm stuck.
You don't need to use 500 HP. That's
What is it?
Everyone go to TP. Everyone go to TP.
very sorry.
No.
Just run.
Everyone get inside. Everyone get inside. Use quicksand on the TP. Then you use fire or horse, something. Go trigger, Kiania. Go trigger. It's fine.
I use
This is
fire,
the same,
okay?
Same ending than the first level. Same ending than the first level.
There is
Where's
more
the fire?
sharks
Where's the
inside the
Where's the
water.
fire?
I used that before that delayed.
Okay.
What you Why are you jumping?
Are you guys
It's over,
fucking
it's
kidding
over.
me? Are you guys fucking kidding me?
Whenever. Axe, watch out. Furious, hey, jump down. What do you know about? It's the last defense. You have to delay them. The last defense. We have wind. We have tornado. I think we can do it. Oh, trigger. Okay, we did it. Good. We have tornado. Good job. And the second fight. What the fuck are you doing? Okay, last stage now.